Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Centre takes fresh stand on buffer zone, recommends 1.5 km zone for country, tells Goa to decide on case-to-case basis to file fresh affidavit on Tuesday in the Supreme Court. Ponda police raid a godown, seized 480 bags of rice. Rice suspected to be smuggled out of midday meal scheme. People hint at involvement of civil supplies department officials in the scam. If guilty, take action, says Parikar on Gadkari issue. Says it is unfair to comment on anybody's wife while referring to Modi Tharoor controversy. One-year countdown starts for Goa as host of Lusophonia Games 2013. Government promises the administration team by month-end. Funds are no problem, says Tawadkar. Luis Figo enthralls Cones, but poor organization of Youth Champions League leaves a bitter taste. Remo flares organizers. Now the news in detail. Union government has taken a fresh stance on the buffer zone issue in Goa. MOEF has recommended 1.5 km buffer zone for the country, and Goa has been given freedom to decide about the zone on case-to-case basis. Union government is expected to file a fresh affidavit in the court in this regard.
Union government's fresh stand has come as a big relief for the industry. After taking a stand of 10 km zone, the centre has taken a fresh look at the issue and decided the following things. 1.5 km buffer zone for the country. Goa can decide for itself. Goa may decide on case-to-case basis. Decision taken by Prime Minister on 31st October. Union government to file fresh affidavit on Tuesday. Amicus Curiae Harish Salve asked for the time to study this new stance of the Union government. As per the sources, CAC of the Supreme Court on the buffer zone will study the new affidavit on the MOEF and reply during the next hearing. Supreme Court has fixed November 30th as the next date of hearing. What's next? CAC needs time to study the new affidavit. CAC will reply during the next hearing. Next hearing fixed on 30th November. Goa government has already cleared its stand for supporting buffer zone of 1 km from wildlife sanctuaries. 13 mines will close down if Goa government sticks to its stand. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Goa Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar may find himself engulfed in another political controversy within the BJP. When questioned by a TV channel on the Gadkari issue, he said, "Punish any person involved in corruption if he is found guilty." He also reacted that commenting on anybody's personal life is incorrect. He was questioned about Modi Tharoor controversy. Chief Minister has made this stern statement in an interview to a television channel, Headlines Today. Parrikar is of the opinion that any political leader, irrespective of his position, has to answer to his party and the people if the allegations are proven to be true. When asked about being defensive on Gadkari, Parrikar said, and I quote, "I am not defensive. If any person, irrespective of his position, has to be punished if he is found corrupt. My only point is that if you are making allegation on any senior person, then prove it."
Then suggesting that if the charges against Mr. Gadkari are proven to be true, then he must step down as BJP president, and there is no question of him having a second term.
I will say this very clearly about any person, irrespective of his name. But I am not ready to, at this stage, accept anything just because it is alleged.
So if those allegations are proven to be true, if they are proven to be true,
if allegations are proven to be true and there are some manipulation by any person, whether it is Gadkari or whether it is Vadra or whether it is Prime Minister, the person has to answer to his party and to his people whom elect him.
Trying to marginally distance himself from the recent Modi Tharoor spat, Parrikar said that he would never comment on anyone's personal life or his wife.
I would not comment on anyone's personal life or his wife, absolutely.
Then attaching
Out
a 50 of...
It is out of question. Even mentioning would have been out of question because she is not in politics. You have to respect the dignity of a wife. I am not commenting on what Modi said because I am not aware. I don't have the first-hand information in what context he said. I would not have referred to it because I believe that it is his personal life.
It would be interesting to see how the party cadre reacts to Parrikar's statements. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Ponda police raided a godown in Ponda Kurti and seized 480 rice bags. Ponda Kurti locals suspect involvement of civil supplies officials into the scam. The flying squad of civil supplies on intimation reached at Ponda after 5 hours from Panji. The rice is suspected to be from midday meal quota.
फ्लाइंग स्क्वॉडाक कळयलें पणजे असिस्टंट डायरेक्टराक फोन केलो जवळ जवळ 11:15 जातलीं तेन्ना स्क्वॉड हांगा 3 पावले न्ही
हांव 100% सांगता हे जे गोव आहा न्ही हे सगळे एक्सचेंजा वता तुमी वचून ते मुद्दम चवकशी करपाचे हे सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप जे म्हाका हांवें तुमकां सांगल्या ते सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपाच्या स्कुलांनी वचपाचे हे खंयचे तरी स्कुलान दिता आसतले तांदूळ थंय तांदूळ दिता काय ते बटाटवाडी दिता काय आनी कितें दिता हें तुमी वचून पळोवपाचें तेन्ना तुमकां कळटलें ते खरें म्हाका दिला काय ना
एक्चुअली ती म्हणटाली कितें इटेनी इंटिमेशन दिल्लें म्हणून सो आय डोंट नो बेटर एक्सप्लेनेशन ते दिवपाक शकतले मिटिंगेक गेले ना
आतां कितें हें सांगला तुमी आतां कितें करपाक लायलें तांकां
तें घे म्हटल्यार इन्व्हेंटरी करपाक लायली सगळी
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.